To anyone that's leaving school this year, I would say give HTP a go. I believe that it's the best decision that I made in my life. I've been able to regain focus and have a career path that I want. The quality of education is really high here. I've got a lot more interest in learning how to do fitness testing, for example, and a lot about anatomy and physiology and how to work within a team to make myself better educational-wise and fitness-wise. The best things about my training consultant is that he's approachable. He's done what I want to do, so he's got prior experience. He's been a very good support mechanism for me and allowed me to have prospects of going to uni and have more aspirations going forward. What I love about this course is the friendships and the actual education that you get at HTP. My face is up here on the building, and it feels awesome to be recognised for my hard work and in the part of sports and fitness. That has made me really proud, and I'm going to be in further advertising for HTP. Amazing, amazing, because it's worked for me.